Hi, everyone. We will learn together how to use the libgpiod library, implement a breathing light effect for the youyeetoo X1 development board. The youyeetoo X1 is a product developed and released by youyeetoo tech team, x86 architecture capable of running the full-featured versions of Windows and Linux. Features low cost and high performance. Let's first take a look at the development board. We will utilize the libgpiod 19 pin on the board to control an LED light to achieve a breathing light effect. Now, let's take a look at it. The code for implementing the breathing light effect. In this code snippet, we first acquire the libgpiod controller. Then, based on libgpiod control, the IRO pin numbers, acquire the libgpiod 19 pin and configure it in output mode. We utilize a variable named breathing speed Ms to control the period of the breathing light effect. Within this loop, we first calculate the current duty cycle, the corresponding duration of the high level, then set the output state to a high level. Wait for the duration of the high level. We set the output state to a low level. Wait for the duration of the low level. This completes a full breathing cycle. At the end of each iteration of the loop, we update the duty cycle. If the duty cycle reaches 100% or 0%, we change the direction of the step increment. This will achieve the breathing effect. Finally, we compile the program and execute it. It can be observed that the LED is now exhibiting the breathing effect. Now we set the breathing speed Ms to 4000. We can observe that the rate of the breathing light has increased. Finally, we set the breathing speed Ms to 2000. It can be observed that the breathing light rate has become faster. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video.